Hello, in this video I'll show you how to buy USDT on OKX. Now it's a very easy process. So just simply open the website and then at the very top you'll find the option of buy crypto. Now just simply hover over it and click on Express Buy. Now after that just simply click on this drop down box and choose your currency. Let's say for example USD. Right over here you will find the minimum and the maximum amount that you can buy. So let's say for example you want to buy for $50. Just simply enter that and then make sure to change it to USDT. Now click on that and choose USDT. Now after that, just simply click on buy USDT. Now wait for a few seconds and then depending on the country that you are in, you will have your payment methods. Now you'll find few options where you can get wallet based applications or card based application, and similar to them you'll have more options. Now depending on how you want to pay, just simply choose your option. So let's say for example you want to choose Visa. Just simply choose that and then click on next over here, and then after that click on buy USDT, and it will redirect you to the payment page where you have to complete the payment process. All you have to do is just simply enter your card details right over here and then just simply click on next and you will complete the transaction. That's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.